everybody, my name is Joris Nevens and we are here at the Infocomm show in Orlando 2019. I would like to present to you our newest capture vision system. What is our capture vision system? It's basically a recorder for up to 5 signals, and then you can stream it out onto the internet, record it on the box or set it up to a FTP server. So what we have is we have 4 HDMI inputs. We can also connect up to an unlimited amount of IP cameras and NDI cameras, and then we can select here which input we want to use. We have different layouts we want to use, we have overlays, and of course we can also control these cameras. We can control the cameras over RS-232 VSCA or IP VSCA over IP. What is also good to know is that we follow the RTMPS standard, which is the new standard from Facebook and is a more secured standard. So that means we can stream with this box live to Facebook, but also to Twitch, to Livestream and many more servers. If you want to know more information about this product, visit our website at mylumens.com. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching our movie. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe under here. Thank you very much.